Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the e-app not opening. Alright, let's begin. First, go to your desktop, right-click on the e-app and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab, then tick both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and OK. If that doesn't work, open the Start menu, search for Run, and type %local app data %. Press Enter, then find the Electronic Arts and eDesktop folders. Right-click each one and delete them. Don't worry, these folders will reappear when you relaunch the app. After that, open Settings from the Start menu. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for E, click the three dots and choose Uninstall. In the window that appears, select Repair instead. Once it finishes, relaunch the e-app. So that's basically how you can fix the e-app not opening. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.